Superhuman AI 3D model. In this video, we're going to be talking about Superhuman AI, which is an incredible AI place which boosts your productivity and accelerates your AI career. Because in this space, there are different AI geeks that upload their very own articles and archive posts telling you news and stories related to AI that you can find for yourself. And you can even post your very own posts for AI. Now, to check out its very own 3D model, what you can go ahead and do is obviously go ahead and scour through all of their different types of posts and archives that they have kept. And you can also get Superhuman's very own 3D model on their separate website as well. So if we search up Superhuman AI 3D model, what you can do from here is you can find in the rodent 3D model generator that Superhuman AI itself created. And to check it out, as you can see, hyper3d.ai, where you can find all of these different 3D AI models. So if you want to get a model like this for yourself, you're simply going to go ahead, enter any type of text, click on generate, and that is how you're going to be creating your very own 3D models as well. And Superhuman also provides you with different chat avatars, tool bags. This is how you're going to access the 3D models. Your subscriptions are right here. And yeah, that is basically how you're going to access Superhuman AI's 3D model. Go ahead and check it out, use it for yourself, and that is about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.